So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Pillow Fund. Pillow Fund is a fintech app that allows you to buy dollar to beat naira inflation, and also you can make dollar investment and earn up to 14% interest on your investment. And yes, your funds are 100% safe. They were featured on Forbes, The Guardian, Pulse, and also biotech influencers Fisayo, Valo, and the rest. So in this video I'm going to guide you on how to successfully get the $1 registration bonus. If you are new here to the channel, do make sure to like the video and also subscribe to be updated whenever I post a new video. So let's get started. So after you have registered, this is what the dashboard will look like. So you have to verify your account with BVN, and yes, your details are 100% safe. So after you have done that, then you have to make a deposit of at least 1,000 naira to get the $1 registration bonus. Also, do make sure to use the referral code, because without the referral code you won't get any registration bonus. So let's get over to the next step. So after you have been verified, press on this bank transfer. Once you press on the bank transfer, then input 1,000 naira. So in order to get the registration bonus, you have to make minimum deposit of 1,000 naira, but you can make any deposit of your choice. So when you deposit 1,000 naira, you'll be given USDC, which is dollar, and you can convert it back to naira if you like. So once you do that, then press on buy. Once you press on buy, press on confirm and continue. So this is the rate that you are giving. You buy at $762. If you want to sell it, you just sell it at $742. But mind you, the exchange rate fluctuates. So once done, if you are satisfied with the rate, just press on continue. So after you have pressed on make a deposit, you will see this pop up. So some of the deposits, if you are making transfer, you have to put the reference. It's a must. And if you are making transfer, make sure you input the fixed amount. If you are depositing 1k, transfer 1k, because a new account number will be generated specifically for you to make the deposit. So as you can see, for my own, they said you must include this reference exactly as displayed in the memo or reference. So let me press on I understand. And mind you, some of the deposit doesn't require memo. And also, don't make transfer from OPay or PanPay. You can make transfer from any other fintech app, be it Kuda, Access, GT, any bank app of your choice other than OPay and PanPay, but you can use Kuda. So this is the account number that was generated for me, so I'm just going to copy it. Once I copy it, I'm going to use my Kuda to make the transfer. And also make sure if you are making the transfer, make the transfer from the account that is yours. You understand? Make sure the Pillow Fund account is the same as the bank app that you are making the transfer from. So I'm going to search for Providence Bank, and I'm going to paste the account number here. So as you can see, this is the account number, Pillow Warrior. So I'm just going to press on next. So you are going to send the exact 1,000 naira. You understand? If you input 15, you can write 15. So I'm going to send the exact 1,000 naira. So under the narration, I'm going to input the reference. Mind you, some of the deposits you won't be required to input reference, but sometimes you have to input reference. So do make sure to take note of that. And also, you'll be given 20 minutes to make deposit. So as you can see, it's been 16 minutes now, so you have to make the deposit ASAP before the time elapses. Once the time elapses, you have to generate a new account number again to make the payment. So let me input this reference at the narration part. Every fintech apps, any other fintech app, you can input the memo either in the description or the reference box or the memo box. So as you guys can see, I've already made the transfer. Once you have made the transfer, then press on I've made payment. So they are going to confirm the payment. So some of the confirmation takes a minute or two. As you can see, mine is only 3 seconds. But mind you, some of the deposit takes a minute to 5 for it to be processed. So as you can see, your deposit and investment is processing. So once your deposit reflects, you are going to press on reward. Once you press on reward, you are going to see the reward, the $1 reward is locked. So you have to hold your investment for 7 days. You understand? Your 1,000 naira deposit, you have to hold it, don't withdraw the money. So once it's 7 days, this locked 100 feathers. This 100 feathers will appear under redeem. So you just redeem it. Once it's redeemed, you are going to see it on your balance. And mind you, the deposit you just made now will be invested and you'll be earning some interest. So once it reaches 1 week and you have redeemed it, mind you, if you withdraw your 1,000 naira before 7 days, it has to reach either 7 to 8 days. It takes 7 to 8 days for the $1 you want to fully mature. So once it reaches 7 to 8 days, you can redeem it. And once you redeem it, it will be under here. You just press on redeem and it will be added to your balance. Then if you want to withdraw all your money, you just press on this invested balance. Once you tap on it, you just press on redeem. How much do you want to redeem? Just write all 1.31 depending on the investment you made. Once you have redeemed it, it will take a minute or two for it to be fully redeemed. Then you can just press on this withdraw button. Once you press on withdraw button, you can either withdraw the USDC to either your crypto wallet, Binance or the rest, or you can just withdraw it directly to your bank. You can just press on the bank withdraw option. How much do you want to withdraw? You can just press on the available USDC you have. Is it right? Then add your bank app. So that's pretty much it. You receive your withdrawal within a minute or two. So that's pretty much it. If you find this video helpful, do make sure to like and subscribe and wait for more money making updates. Bye.